Once again, the provincial government of Abra officials and employees, headed by Honorable Governor of the Stockholm University and Honorable Vice Governor Ann Bersamin. A big round of applause. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, PGA! Approaching now also is the University of Abra Faculty and Employee Association headed by Dr. Gregorio Torquesa Jr. Kaway-kaway naman po dyan, UA. And approaching now our float from the Mike Superstore. A big round of applause. Ayan, napakaganda po ng pasunod float natin. From Mike Superstore, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, palakpakan po, Barangay Agtangao. And approaching now, headed by Honorable Ramon Peralde, Barangay Agad. Kaway-kaway naman po Agad. There you go. Nastabit na po ang pasunganan tayo. Barangay Banyakaw, headed by Honorable Dennis B. Villado. Happy Washington Festival kadaboy amin nga kailian na kabanggin. You are witnessing our grand parade. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang Banyakaw. Announcement apo, itamit laing iti awarding, iti float competition tayo. Kingastamit apo, ngintay sarapwen, Barangay Pangpangar. Kaway-kaway naman po dyan, headed by Honorable Captain Loreto B. Laureta. Kaway-kaway. Once again, Onget North Central School, headed by Mrs. Virginia Baruela. Kaway-kaway naman po dyan, Onget North. And approaching, ladies and gentlemen, our second load, coming from Alcid, Bitlaw and Furniture and General Merchandise. Happy Washington Festival of House and Binluan Furniture and General Merchandise. headed by Sir Francis Carl A. Acosta, represented by Honorable Shirley Guzman. Kaway-kaway naman po, Zone 1. At kaway-kaway po sa ating camera. At sa lahat po ng nagparada, diretso po tayo sa ating covered court. Meron pong merienda doon. Ulitin ko lang po, sa mga delegations natin nakakatapos lang magparada, please proceed at the covered court for our merienda. Isa pa pong masigabong palampakan. Palampakan, Bangged West Central School. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, kids. Ngayon, Happy Washington Festival. Kata kayo amin. Kaway-kaway po tayo sa ating camera. Live po tayo ngayon sa our official Facebook page, Progreso Bangged. Please like and of course, share our event here today. Napakaganda po ng kulay ng Bangged West Central School. At ganun din po ang pagkakakilanlan ngayon ng Bangged. Happy Washington Festival, everyone! Foods Corporation! Shelby, Mang Inasal, and Chowking. Thank you so much! Baka may pa-freebies po kayo dyan. Food Group Corporation. And now, approaching, headed by Honorable Nicomedes Barbosa, Barangay Zone 2. Kaway-kaway naman po dyan. Happy... Diba? Nakakatuwa naman ang mascot natin ngayon. Sumasayaw. Dapat sa babae, no? Palakpakan naman po natin, Dan J Marketing, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, dito daw, dito daw, dito daw. Isa pa, isa pa. Yun! And now, may we welcome the Bangged East Central School. Palakpakan po natin, Bangged East Central School. Ayan, wait na po. Washington Festival 2026. Manila po, awisan kayo. Handa po merienda di aming nagparada inside the covered court. And we will have free lunch. Courtesy of Kong Ching Bernos and Kong JB Bernos. Ito'y Apo, Kandawan, iti munisipyo. And now we proceed. Akaw, Marketing. Thank you so much po. We will be having the awarding of our float competition here. Isang masigabong palakpakan po headed by Honorable Captain Marino V. Millare. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, Makar Karmay. May saban pa yan po, kaway Kaway-kaway naman dyan, makarkarmay. Palakpakan tayo muna ako ng tigitigong bingan. Gawang ipagragag sa kanya tayo talanda for our main day of celebration of our Washington Day. Maraming salamat po for joining us today. Ngayon, sumasayaw po ang ating tangke. Magpakarga na po kayo sa Abra Fairway. Huwag lang pumutok dito ha. Huwag ka masyadong sumayaw. Hindi mahawakan. Ayun. And of course, approaching now, Barangay Mawai, headed by Honorato Palia. Kaway-kaway naman po, Barangay Mawai. Tingas namin, kapasunganan tayo apoy ni Barangay Palao, headed by Honorable Rynel Beloy. Thank you so much, Divine Word College of Bangued. Happy Washington Festival ka na kayo amin. Pasuganan tayo ng abo. Hindi sa marunong. And of course, andito rin si Jollibee nakikipagsaya sa atin. Ayun. Basta't may bata, may Jollibee, ika nga. Happy Washington Festival, Jollibee. Once again, Banyas Commercial, maraming salamat po. And in those of fees. And now, we proceed to Barangay Zone 5, represented by Clau Avila. Kaway-kaway naman po, Zone 5. Inlaybot Masunggadan, headed by Honorable Edwin Ducayag, Barangay San Antonio. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, San Antonio. Ayun.